What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a real special one for you. We got a 1998 BMW M3. This is a sedan model. It belongs to my good friend Sonny. He is M-Tech on YouTube. Check him out. I'll put his thing up right here for you. Tell us a little bit about your M3 here.
Yeah, so this is a 1998 M3 four-door. This is the first M3 sedan that BMW ever made. This particular one has 263,000 miles on it.
Wow.
And it looks kind of stockish. I would call this car OEM plus.
Right.
Looks kind of factory, but there's a lot of mods on this car to kind of make it feel stock, but sort of amplify the driving experience to make it more good.
Okay, hell yeah.
So the four-door M3s were the rarest body style for these. They made 20-something thousand coupes, like 13,000 convertibles, only 8,500 of these between 97 and 98.
Wow. Good to know.
Give you some of the brief mods on here. Notably, this has a square set of contours on it right now. These are actually my track tires and track wheels.
Okay.
So right now we have Continental Extreme Contact Forces, which is their 200 tread rear tire. Insane amounts of grip. It's my first time ever tracking on these this weekend, and it's been phenomenal. Brakes, Hawk HPS 5.0 pads all around, factory rotors, factory M3 brakes otherwise. Suspension, H&R sports springs, Kona yellow shocks, ground control camber plates up front, turbo motor camber drivers in the rear. It's aligned, about -2.5 degrees camber up front, -2 in the rear.
Awesome.
Toe in is about like half of factory.
Okay.
And it's got polyurethane bushings.
Hell yeah, man. Here you go, M-Tech right here on YouTube.
That's me.
Do a quick walk around.
This is my baby.
Yeah, she looks incredible for that amount of miles.
No, that was the goal.
Hey, you want to pop the hood for us so we can check it out?
Yeah, so hood cable is broken at the moment, so this is my special hood opening tool.
Okay.
The strategy you have to do this.
All right.
So because the corner lamp is broken, this makes it a lot easier.
Okay.
So kind of stick it in here. I gotta. Oh, come on. A little bit of a trick.
Nice.
All right. Put the lamp out. Just gonna put him there for now. Surprisingly, the glass takes pretty well to that beating.
That's good. Nice hack.
Yeah, there you go. It's how you open an E36 hood if it ever breaks. The other way is you go out from underneath and manually undo the latch.
Oh, okay.
Here you go. Engine is like mostly stock power. Dynon intake. That heat shield is not a Dynon heat shield. It's like custom, like whatever. Cobble it together. RK tune for 93 octane. They told me it's good for 5 wheel horsepower, whatever that's worth.
Right.
263,000 mile S52. New head gasket at 255,000. Dr. Vanos unit. The whole deal. Has Rogue Engineering muffler. Power is basically stock. Maybe it feels a little punchier, but yeah.
All right. Looks great, man.
Thank you.
Nice and clean.
Try to keep it that way.
All right. Do we close it normally?
Yeah, so here I'll show you. Actually, some guy at a BMW dealer wants to yell at me for slamming these. You don't slam a BMW hood.
Push it down.
Push it down.
It's the proper way.
Yeah, so that's why BMW tells you to do it.
Okay. I'll start doing that with mine then.
Yeah, you should. Apparently it's better for the latches, and it's more, I don't know, more austere, more...
Yeah. You're right. That's what I usually see people do. So that's what I'm going to start doing too.
It looks more graceful, I suppose. We'll put this back in. So
Cool.
we're adhering to all road regulations.
Right. All right, I'll show you the interior real quick, guys. So yeah, this is the four-door, so I've never sat in the back of one of these.
You're welcome to if you'd like.
All right, let's see if I fit. So I have the seat set up for myself. I'm about 6 feet tall. Yeah, not too bad. My knees are touching the seat, but I still have a little bit of headroom. But yeah, not too bad in a pinch, that's for sure. Nice black leather seats.
There's a center armrest too.
Oh yeah. Some armrests here.
Cup holders.
Ooh, cup holders.
Most useless ones in the world.
All right. All right, let's jump in and take it for a drive. Go ahead and start her up.
It's in gear.
Here. Go ahead and give it a couple revs for you guys. As you can see, it's really cold outside.
I go a draft even more.
Sounds good.
I know, I love that muffler. Also does have a single mass flywheel, a Vallejo kit, which is same weight as the stock flywheel, but you know, single mass.
That feels good. Definitely has enough power, that's for sure.
That's what I've always thought. Some people do power mods of these. I think on track it can be kind of nice to the M50 manifold, but I've never really wanted for power in this car.
Nice and smooth.
Oh yeah.
Makes a really good sound too. I love the intake noises on these S52.
I know, the induction noise is awesome. Also, quick note, because this was an auto car, this is a manual swap.
Is it really?
Yes. Now it has
wow.
a manual diff in it, so from a driver's seat, it's a factory manual.
Wow.
But at the bottom of the pedal, there's a little switch. You'll feel it. That's how you know you're full throttle. That's the kickdown switch.
Okay.
Which the automatic uses to know to grab the lowest gear.
Really?
That's how you know when you're wide open throttle on this one, because you hit the switch. You're like, ah, there we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't have to push it to the floor?
No, when you push it to the floor, you'll feel an extra little click.
Oh,
and
I
that's
see.
how you know you're wide open throttle, because that's the kickdown switch.
Oh, kickdown switch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And actually, if you open if I had the intake off before, if you look at the throttle body, it'll be like 95% open. You hit the switch and it opens up just a little bit more.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Oh wow, I feel it.
Yeah.
That's actually sweet. I like that.
I know, that's why I left it. Some people get rid of them. I'm like, oh, that adds character.
It is cool.
It's
Yeah.
part of the car story. Oh man.
Oh no, I'm gonna turn around.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're good.
I just do a short little drive, nothing crazy. And then I just turn around here.
You can drive it longer if you want. I don't care.
Yeah. It's just there's not very many good roads in like a close vicinity.
Right.
So
Oh, that's a good.
I just keep it simple.
That's fair. Probably makes your editing life easier as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a quick look.
Yeah, you put a lot of work in yours. They're really good videos.
Oh yeah, they take me forever.
I'm sure they do. But I always appreciate all the time and work you put into it.
I appreciate it.
All right, we're gonna do a little acceleration here. Definitely fun to drive. Really stable too.
These cars are so
It likes
stable.
those high speeds, man. It's made for it.
It's an M3. That's what they do.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it feels really good.
Third and fourth gear are my favorite gears in this car. Especially fourth on roads like this. It's just, you're in the power band, but you're not really stressing out the engine. It's just a nice.
have to drive it a little more seat time to get used to the heel toe on this baby.
Oh yeah.
Just because it just feels different.
Yeah, it took me
Feels
a minute to
different.
kind of get used to it as well.
So my GoPro's kind of hitting it. My leg.
Oh man.
See? Just for the viewers out there. Listen to those noises it makes. Man. Sounds beautiful.
Yeah, the dynamic intake really opens this thing up. The exhaust is great.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you've done a really good job with this baby.
I appreciate it. Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
everything's kind of in tune.
263,000 miles.
Oh yeah. I bought it at 222, so I put like 41,000 miles on it now.
Yeah, yeah.
It's been a lot of fun. Just past 5 years of ownership.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like it. This is my nugget.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. You're pretty attached because you've done a lot of maintenance with it.
Yeah.
Put all those miles on it. You know.
No, it's I've almost sold it like twice, but I didn't end up selling it, and I'm kind of glad I didn't.
Yeah, for sure.
At this point, the amount of money this car is worth and the amount of fun it offers me are not even close. I love this car.
Oh yeah, she's a beauty.
Oh, yeah. Lotus Evora, I think.
All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about this M3. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.